What are your 3 wishes?
Let's open some Wishables.
That's a good wish. Wish granted. Hi everybody, I'm Jenny.
I'm Michael. I'm Viola.
And today we're going to be opening
Wishables.
These are the Aladdin Wishables. You can get the magic carpet, Aladdin, Jasmine, or the magic lamp. And separately, you can purchase the Genie.
Whoa.
He's very cute. He's got his rosy little cheeks. Normally when we get Wishables, I purchase them from Shop Disney's website, which means I don't get to pick the Wishables I'm getting. So, on the package of Wishables, it says, squeeze me, because if you squeeze the packages, you might get an idea of what's inside. And I know from squeezing these 2 packages that they're the same thing. So since we have the same Wishables, I'm just gonna open this one. And guess what it is?
Magic carpet. Magic carpet?
Because that would be really easy to squeeze inside.
Yeah.
Huh? And the carpet is so cute. And really, I think carpet is like a perfect kind of Wishable because it's just really big and really squishy, and that's what we like about Wishables. They're so soft. Carpet still has the blush. Which Wishable are you hoping for?
Magic lamp, because he looks so cute.
All right, let's see what you've got.
He's not gonna be big. He's not gonna be big, Michael. Trust me. I think it's gonna be character.
Okay, let's see. I love it when they tell me what they want and they open the Wishable and it's exactly what they want. So Michael got the magic lamp, and there's a very cute expression. All Wishables really have cute expressions. And what happens when Aladdin rubs the lamp?
The genie comes out.
Well, what is your wish? Okay, Viola, if you were wishing for an Aladdin Wishable, which one are you wishing for?
I think Jasmine.
Jasmine. She loves the princesses. Let's see. You didn't get Jasmine, but we got Aladdin himself. He's wearing his fez, his vest, and remember he had those super cool hammer pants on. That's what I used to think when I watched Aladdin. Remember hammer pants were a thing in the 90s?
Mm-hmm.
If you're as old as me, you remember that.
Yeah.
Okay, we have 2 more Wishables, and we have 1 more character. We're only missing 1?
Yeah.
I like those odds, but every time I think something positive about the outcome of Wishables, we either get a bunch of duplicates or it just doesn't quite work out. So hopefully the Genie's going to grant us some more good wishes. So I think I know what this is, but I'm not sure. So we're still going to open it up. Okay, so we're all hoping for Princess Jasmine. That is the only Aladdin Wishable we're missing.
It's 3, 2, 1.
When I squeezed it, that's what I thought it was. It's another Aladdin. I actually know somebody who would really love this Aladdin Wishable, and it's my sister, Amanda. Aladdin is her favorite Disney movie, so I think he's gonna go home with her. Please be Jasmine, please be Jasmine. Oh my goodness!
Oh, now we have to get rid of some duplicates.
We've never had triples, so this one's going to stay at our house. This one's gonna go to my sister's house, and this one's gonna have to find another house out there. I think we did pretty good. We're missing Jasmine, so hopefully we can turn one of our extra Aladdins into a Jasmine Wishable. We hope you guys like these Wishables as much as we do. Thanks so much for watching.
Make sure to like, subscribe.